lucid dreaming. Like a coward in the darkest hour, counting flowers for the battles when the light will not. You catch a flip in their position like a motherfucking opportunist. Play by the bones of the discord. You're burning out, your stars are fading by word of mouth. Find freedom in the fact that no one will miss you. Come in, shut the door and embrace your issues.